Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sulaiman Kasim. My matrix number is AE20018. Today I will present about AC installed and maintained by Group 5. My group member is Muhammad Akmal bin Jacob, Muhammad Azamuddin bin Majunid, Muhammad Alif bin Hashim Al Hashim, me, and Muhammad Nur Hakim bin Ahmad Uthman. For the introduction, during the air condition of a building, a liquid, usually water or air, is cooled by the aeration of another liquid called a refrigerant. A conditioning quickly turn gas into liquid and vice by using chemical that remove warm air from inside the building. Then it is removed outside. To put it simply, the air conditioning system regulates the temperature, humidity, and air quality of the room. Although the basic concept of air conditioning has existed since the Egyptian, that first modern air conditioner was invented in 1902 by Willis Carey, a New York publisher. In response to the problem of air quality, the invention not only control the temperature but also the humidity in the room by controlling the air by calculating through cold coil, which also used to control the humidity. Soon after, air conditioner were introduced in car to improve living comfort. Over the year, air condition sales have increased significantly due to customer demand.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azamuddin Majinid, matrix number AE2038. I would like to present about the background project. Okay, first the title of the project is the installation and service maintenance of the air conditioning system at FKE building. And the owner of the project is the UTHM. And the location for the building is at Duke QE. And the energy consumption is 87,400 kilowatt hour in 1 year. And the old AC system is a non-inverter type multi-speed system. And our proposed AC system is inverter type central AC system. So the project will start from February until March. And the installation period is around 10 weeks. And the contractor is Group 5 SDN BHD, Sdn Berhad. And the cost of the project is 35,000 10 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, next we go to the primary data collection. Okay, first is the site visit at the FT of the FKE building. So the figure 1 shows the top view, and figure 2 is the front view, and the figure 3 is the interior view, and figure 4 is the view at the FGC chair stair, and the 5 is the figure for the layout in the FKE building. So in order to design the installation of the AC system, we need to know to identify whether the condition, the size, before we start to do the design, so that our design is suitable with the condition and the size for the building. Okay, next we go to the current cost. The current cost for the power consumption. So the estimated bill is 44,432.7 cents. So this estimated bill we calculated by the TNB bill at the website. Okay, the next one, we go to the comparison for the saving cost. So for the yearly cost for the non-inverter type is 44,432.7 cents, and for the inverter type is system is 35,200.
So for the layout analysis, first thing we need to propose the design. So the picture below is the design that we propose. This is the central AC system with inverter type. A centrally located air conditioning system known as central air conditioning cool the air in your whole home. So the system employs fans to move the cool air via duct and into your home room. So next we will analysis about the main problem. So the major problem that we see is the refrigerator leak, inadequate maintenance, and electric control failure. For the refrigerator leak commonly occur in air conditioning system where the coolant one that the conditioner is low. This is due to the aircon does not install properly or it has leaked somewhere. Uh, any leak should be fixed, then the repair should be tested, and then the system should be charged with appropriate amount of refrigerant. So for the second problem is inadequate maintenance is normally caused by air conditioning system does not do the maintenance properly by following schedule. As a result, the coil filter become dirty and cause the compressor and fan doesn't work properly. For the third problem is the electric control failure. This is due the compressor and the fan control might become worn out due to the oversized system run repeatedly. Should be examined by during a professional service visit because corrosion and wire terminal are concerned by many systems should be addressed. And the third is the comparison between inverter type and the non-inverter type, which is the inverter type is saving more money on utility bill rather than non-inverter type. And also by using inverter type, compressor will run at variable speed, but in non-inverter type, the compressor only limited to on and off. Also, inverter type more energy efficient because of automatic tissue that we can control the variable speed according to what we need. And also, inverter type make lesser noise than the non-inverter type. SWOT analysis contain the strength, weakness, and opportunity, also threat. So we will discuss about our strength first. First strength is our company has clear vision for the future. Our company has strong emphasis to having forward thinking perspective in its core value and philosophy. And our next strength is determination on our market business. Our company have made the conscious decision to solely focus on heating and ventilation, also air conditioning system in the market. So for the weakness, first is the consumer demographic. Uh, we have encountered different customer with varying need and preference. Also over time, it's presented challenge for us to effectively meet and fulfill the current demand of the market. For the next is the increasing of the cost. So we have so second weakness is the increasing cost. With the increasing cost of raw material to make the HVAC, so our company has been struggle to maintain the same value for our market. For the third weakness is the lack of promotion. Despite the fact we believe that our product have very long lifespan and are of high quality, this sometimes make it easy for our company to be forgotten by the consumers. So for the opportunities part, first opportunity is development of smart technology. As the post-pandemic by the COVID-19, we have significant advancement in the development smart technology designed to filter out a greater number of unwanted particles from the air, thereby producing fresher air and cleaner air for consumers. So, second opportunity is construction and renovation. The growth in the construction and renovation of commercial of residential building can create the opportunity for the HVAC industry to provide new installation, maintenance, and repair service. As we talk the repair and the maintenance service, service and maintenance is our next opportunity. As the HVAC system ages, the demand of the service, maintenance, and retrofitting of existing system is increased. By providing opportunities for the HVAC company to offer this service. So the next is the threat. First threat is the climate change and the extreme weather. Climate change and extreme weather event can have significant impact on the HVAC industry. And the next threat is the technological advancement. As the technological advancement in the high voltage air conditioning system can lead to new competitor and new way of business. So the third is the economic downturn. The economic downturn can lead us to reduce demand for high voltage air conditioning system and service.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Akmal Yaakob and I will be explaining regarding the time frame. Time frame is essential in project management because it sets the schedule for completing the project and establish a clear deadline for each task and milestones. Having a well-defined time frame helps to keep the project on track and ensure that it is completed on time and within budget. So we'll be moving on to the project phase. First, we have a demolition and restoration work. Demolition is necessary to clear the way for new construction. Restoration work is essential for preserving building and site and returning them to their original condition. Design is an essential aspect for project management because it sets the foundation for the project and helps to ensure that it meets the need and requirement of the stakeholder. Supply is essential in project management because it is the process of procuring the necessary material and equipment to complete the project. Installation is essential to project management because it involves putting all the pieces together and bringing the project to life. Power supply and control are essential in air conditioning system because they ensure the system can function properly and efficiently. Noise and vibration are essential factors to consider in air conditioning system because they can affect the comfort and well-being of the people using the space. Testing is essential in air conditioning system because it helps ensure that the system operates correctly and efficiently. Maintenance is vital for air conditioning system because it helps to ensure that the system operates correctly, efficiently, and in a good condition. It helps to ensure that the system is operating correctly and efficiently, that is in a good condition. So that's all for time frame.
Next, for the costing, describe the all factors that will need to be considered when preparing an estimate for new air conditioning system and maintenance. It will estimate what the project will cost. So let's show the table for the mechanical scope estimate. So for the first item is mechanical AC units with 3.5 tons. The quantity is 4 and the for total cost is 14,000 ringgit. For the HVAC duct, the quantity is 2. For the total cost is 8,000. For the condenser drain, the quantity is 4 and then for the total is 2,600 ringgit. For the labor, we fix the price for the 70 ringgit per hour. So the total cost is 5,610 ringgit. Then for the season leave, the quantity is 4, using just 4 months. So the total cost is 4,800 ringgit. And then for the overhead, overhead mean like something operating expense, like example for the utilities, rental, insurance. So overhead at 10%, so the total cost is 3,021 ringgit. And then profit at 10%, So the total cost is 2,460 ringgit. So for the total mechanical estimate, the total cost is 35,010 ringgit. Next, for the maintenance cost for the air conditioning cleaning, the total cost is 280 ringgit. And for the refill air and gas, the total cost is 400. So the total cost maintenance is 680 ringgit. Okay, to estimate saving cost for the installation, we need to do total cost for the bill in 13 years so that we can know whether our project give benefit to the UTSM. So the table below show that the cost monthly, yearly, and 20 years for the non-inverter and the inverter. So as we can see, the non-inverter, the price in 20 years is 819,545 ringgit. But for the inverter, it's only 540 ringgit. So we can saving cost around 476,545 ringgit. So with that saving cost, we can cover all the installation and maintenance for the installation of the inverter.
For the conclusion in the project, the installation for the inverter type central AC system give more benefit to the UTSM in terms of cost and efficient of the air conditioner system. The central AC system also can give cooling the refreshing air in the building and maintain the temperature. Next, we also can reduce the cost for the bill by placing with the new AC system. So we hope that UTSM can consider the project from our company because it can give more benefit and reduce cost. Okay, that's all for our group. Thank you.